Welcome to this quick walkthrough. In cybersecurity, data analysis starts with great data. But what if you don't have a massive log file handy? We are going to solve that problem by using the incredible Faker library to simulate a large realistic web access log. Then we'll analyze it to find a critical security signal, unique IP addresses causing 404 not found errors. Our script begins with the generate fake log content function. We initialize Faker and immediately start defining the properties of a real web server log. Common resources, paths that should generate 404s, standard HTTP status codes, and methods like get and post. The core of this simulation is this loop, which runs 500 times. For every line, Faker provides a completely unique, authentic looking IP version 4 address. We combine that with randomized data for the request method, the path, and the file size. Notice the detailed timestamp formatting. It has to be perfect for the analysis later. We then stitch all these fake components together to create a single authentic access log entry, just as an Apache or NGX server would generate. This gives us 500 lines of rich simulated traffic. Now, for the analysis. Our goal is to flag potential security scans or broken links. The signal for this is the 404 status code. We use Python's RE or Regex module and a powerful regular expression to extract exactly what we need. This expression is engineered to match the entire log line, but crucially, it creates two capture groups. Group 1 captures the full IP address, and towards the end, we specifically look for and capture the 404 status code in Group 2. Next, we iterate through every line of our massive simulated log. If the regex successfully finds a match, meaning an IP causing a 404, we extract that IP and add it to a set. The beauty of a Python set is that it automatically handles duplicates, ensuring we only record each unique IP address once. Finally, we print the results. We see the total amount of unique IPs and then a sorted list of every suspicious IP address. These are the IPs that hit many non-existent resources, which often suggest a vulnerability scanner or malicious reconnaissance attempt. And there you have it. In under 50 lines of Python, we successfully simulated a high-volume web access log using Faker and performed a targeted security analysis using Regex. This technique is invaluable for testing detection rules or practicing incident response. If you did enjoy this, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials and videos. This has been Vitus DK, and you already know.